Good morning, children. We have completed our physics chapter 2. We will move on to chemistry, third chapter, atomic structure. Now, in this chapter, look at the heading atomic structure. Here, we will learn about atoms. Okay. Did you heard the term atoms, children? Where did you heard about atoms? Under matter chapter, we have discussed. What are atoms? We said matter. Inside any matter, there are smaller particles. There are smaller particles inside a solid substance or a liquid or a gaseous or a plasma or a Bose-Einstein condensation particles also. Inside any matter there are smaller particles. We call them as atoms. Children, can we see these atoms? No, we cannot see these atoms with our eyes. We can see them by using a microscope. Okay. Now, your chapter itself discuss about, it states atomic structure. How are these atoms arranged? Okay. And different scientists, what they have told about the atoms. And inside the atom, are there any other particles? If they are there, what are those? And who discovered? Some activities are there in this chapter. Okay. First we will today we will learn only about the introduction part of the atoms. We said atoms are the smaller particles. We cannot see with our naked eye. Now, John Dalton. If you have a textbook, open your textbook. Chemistry. Page number 44. You have a scientist, a picture of the scientist. He is John Dalton. Okay. Now, first he has started investigating about these atoms. He said atoms are the smaller particles and we cannot divide these atoms. We cannot divide these atoms. Hence, this statement he says atoms are indivisible particles. Indivisible means we cannot divide it. Okay. Atoms are indivisible particles. Okay. Next he says in any substance there are atoms. If you combine, let us see. You have seen sodium, NaCl. This element sodium contains all sodium atoms. No other atoms are there. An element contains only the same atoms. In chlorine, all chlorine atoms only. No other element is there. Okay. If we mix sodium and chlorine, you will get NaCl. Atoms of sodium are mixed with atoms of chlorine. Then you are getting a molecule called sodium chloride. This molecule or a compound. Now this contains both sodium atoms as well as chlorine atoms. Following children, if an element is there, it is made up of same kind of atoms. All elements, not only sodium and chlorine, all the elements, hydrogen, it is made up of similar kind of atoms, hydrogen only, chlorine atoms only. Okay? If you are mixing the elements, the compound or a molecule, it contains different atoms. Here in this example, it contains sodium atoms as well as chlorine atoms. Following children, it contains sodium atoms as well as chlorine atoms. These are some of the things told by John Dalton. Okay? Atoms we cannot divide. That means these are indivisible particles. These are smaller particles. An element contains similar kind of atoms, but a molecule contains different kinds of atoms. Okay? Now, after John Dalton, this is also called as Dalton's theory. Okay? Now, after John Dalton's theory, inside the atom, we said there are atoms. Any matter contains atoms. Next, we are learning about inside the atom. What is there inside the atom? Okay? Now, here, to know about what are there any other particles inside the atom, different scientists have started investigating. They wanted to know what is there inside the atom. Then they said there is a positive charge. Inside the atom, there is a positive charge. This positive charge, they named it as protons. Okay? If true is there, obviously there must be false. If positive charge is there, means there must be negative charge. This negative charge, they called it as electrons. Okay? Inside the atom, they have observed that there is a positive charge called as protons, negative charge called as electrons, another charge called neutral charge, neutron. Okay, these are the particles which are there inside the atom. Inside the atom. Hence, these three particles, we call them as subatomic particles. Okay? Inside the atom, there are some other particles. We call them as subatomic particles. Lopala, atom lopala unnai kabatti, they have named it as subatomic particles. These are important, children. In any competitive exam or everywhere they are asking. What are the subatomic particles? The subatomic particles are protons, electrons, neutrons. Okay? Protons, they said the charge is positive. Electrons, the charge is negative. Neutrons, the charge is neutral. Okay. Now, protons. They have done some experiments to find out protons' charge. This was founded by Goldstein. Electrons were founded by Thomson. Neutron was found by Chadwick. These are different scientists. They have found out protons, electrons and neutrons. Okay. Children, today we have started only learning about what is atom, John Dalton's theory, and what are the particles inside the atom. Okay. In the next class, you must get your textbook because some activities are there. Discovery of electrons, discovery of protons, discovery of neutrons. Okay. Here, these activities, when you all come to the school, we will show it by using the internet. But as schools are not yet open, we need to see our textbooks. Okay. In the next class, we will study how protons were discovered, electrons and neutrons. Okay, children. Thank you.